Right, let's plug you in. Bear with me. The phone has fallen. The phone has fallen. Are we good? Oh god, that's a bad crack. Bear with me a minute, people. Are we on? I think we're on. The phone fell, which is mildly irritating. But hello, and welcome to Dark Supernatural. We are live tonight. Let me see you. Wow, that's a shot. Good evening. I've got a really bad throat, good start. Really bad throat, by the way, people. Like it's very, very scratchy indeed. But hello, welcome to Dark Supernatural. We are live tonight in Sudbury, in Suffolk, which should have been done about maybe three odd weeks ago. But it's been very, very hectic. The pub I work in is now reopening, so I've been working on that. And I've just cut my face. That really hurts. But yeah, we're live for 90 minutes, all the way through to 8:30. Only if the weather is, decent. Because at the minute it's starting to rain, which is just my luck, really. We've had to put it off twice before because of our work commitments. And then the night I actually managed to come out and do it, it starts to rain. So I'm not impressed, people. But yes, we are live tonight in Sudbury. We're walking along some old railway lines that are no longer here. So just to point out to you that we're not on any kind of train track. There you go. Where apparently I've been reading online murders and suicides and all that sort of stuff. I've got to be careful with what words I use because it's TikTok and it'll have a meltdown where I get banned and then I'll punch myself repeatedly in the face. Mildly annoying. But yes, hello, welcome to everybody. Thank you for liking. Thank you for whatever. I'm a priest. Thank you for liking the live. Very kind indeed. Right. Anyone else is here? Come and say hello. Come and say hello. I do not bite. Well, I do, but only certain people. Hello, Mark. Hello, Hayden. How you doing, mate? Where are we investigating today? Abby. All right, Dave. How you doing? We're in Sudbury. Near the railway lines that go through the blah 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 blah. Try again. Where the railway lines go through like the back of Blackfriars and Springlands and all that lot. No, Springlands. No, that's near Tesco. Don't even worry. We're in Sudbury. Hello, senior. Hello, Jake. How you doing, mate? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? That one there, Jake, which is the shadowed one. Give him a follow. He is part of the team. Well, vaguely at the minute, part of the team. He comes and goes quite a lot, bless him. But he is aiming to come back at some point this year, which would be nice. Hello, Mandy. Thank you for joining. Right, anywho, I hope this camera bag ain't too loud, so I had to carry me drink and me camera stand and all that. Looked all right. Donut walking through town with that. Anywho, let's go for a waddle. Now, you can't really see a lot, granted, and I apologise in advance for the weather, the wind, and yeah, for any traffic you can hear. It's probably a haunted road, according to Jake. Anywho, what we got? Comes and goes, more than British rain. Well, I think that's quite a bold statement. To be fair, it was nice earlier on today. I come out and do a live, and bang, God's like, nah, fuck you. Well, thank you very much. Can you see the sky? There you go. That's how cloudy it is. Beautiful. 2,000 likes in 4 minutes. Thank you, whoever's liking the live that much. All you can really see is a tree. And, well, you can't even barely see that, to be honest. So we're going to walk a little bit further down. Oh, God. I haven't got my wellies on, which is even more irritating, because this is going to be... Oh, it's all right, actually. I am one dramatic person, I tell you. Who's that? I don't know if you can see this, but... Oh, that's nice. That's a very kind text there. Yes, I will be safe. Thank you, baby. Thank you very much. Whoa! Good grief alive! Pat the atheist. Okay, we've got an atheist in. You are more than welcome. You will hear that quite a bit because I've got a really bad, tickly, dry cough and it's irritating me to death. Right, let's have a little stand. Yeah, we'll stand about here. All right, Bev. Oh no, God, that's not Bev at all. I'm so sorry. Thank you for liking the live, Hayden. May Jesus always love you. Right. Hello, as an animal. I have got to point out to you people as well, because we are outside, any paranormal activity that may occur, I may have to debunk it if a squirrel or a badger decides to go ape shit and starts chasing me down the path, then obviously that will be debunked. But if we see, you know, Demon Derek hanging from the trees, then that's a whole different ballgame. Right. Demon Derek. Yeah, it was funny. Thank you very much for laughing. Thank you for looking alive. Abby, may Jesus always love you. Unless you're an atheist, then maybe not. Right, anyway. Oh, good God alive. It's only been like that the last. Hello? Oh, I think there's a dog walking. The last hour and a half. I sneezed earlier, and since then, my throat's been killing me. Awful. Awful. Right. I can hear a dog. I don't know if you can hear it. So what we're going to do is we're going to get the word box up like we usually do. Because it's only a mini investigation, we don't have all the equipment. We only have part of the equipment, which is the word box. On this, here, clearly I can't talk tonight. On this occasion, please don't be on really loud and might make noises. Yes, I know all of this. I know. Finish. Begin your hunt. Well, I am. Thank you for telling me I'm allowed to do it. Right, so just to let you know, it's brand new. Hey, it works this time. And there's no history on there. So happy days, people. Alrighty. Let's do a bit of calling out, shall we? Is anyone here along this old railway line here in Sudbury, Suffolk? Come and say hello. My name is Marcus. I always introduce myself on any investigation that I do. So come and say hello. This device here isn't here to harm you or anything like that. It's just simply here to communicate. I'm expecting a dog walker walk along in a minute and I will have a Connery. So I heard a gate shut a minute ago and I don't know if it's a dog walker or not. Hi Jill, thank you for liking the live. That's very kind of you. Jill Sheehan. That is a great name, and that is the name of the night so far. We're only 8 minutes in, I know, but that's my favourite name so far. I usually have about 3 or 4 per live, but at the minute you're number 1. So thank you, Jill. Very kind. See, where it's raining, I can hear footsteps and all, but I don't know, it could be rain trickling down from trees. Thank you, Hayden, for liking the live. Bouncy Cafe. What a name. If there's anyone here. Oh. Clumsy. To the text, I just got clumsy. Apparently just dropped her food. Oh, okay, we've got a word. Attic. I mean, if there's an attic here, I will be very surprised. But hello. I'm guessing that's not your name. If it is, that's a very unusual but lovely name. Can you give me something more than attic? All right, Katie, thank you very much for liking, for joining even. Abby, she's on a roll tonight with her fingers. So, I mean, we're liking the lot of wow. We've got another word, show. We don't really call it a show anymore. We call it an investigation, alive. I didn't mean it like that. Since I said it, I thought, oh no. I meant tapping the screen. So thank you as well, Jake, for tapping the screen. Oh, dearie me. I can't believe I just said that. I'm mortified. Sorry, Hayden, I didn't mean. Ah, crikey. Come on, is anyone here? What about you? I know you're there with your fingers as well. You're very good with your fingers, Hayden. I don't need to big you up, lover. Jill, with the name of the night, are you still here, love? Keep tapping away. There's a moth. I think that was a moth. I don't know. Yeah, I am. Yeah. Oh, wow. The pair of you are actually disgusting. You make a great couple. Can we have another word, please? You gave me show and attic. Yes to the text. Go on, Jake. Jake's getting involved now with his fingers. Blimey. Oh, blimey, I'm 5.9 in like 11 minutes. You lot are off your nut. Wow, that I'm not even reading that. Feral. Go on, spirits. We're all good with it. Yeah, all right. All right, love. Well, it's meant to be a family-friendly live investigate. Well, not family-friendly, but, you know, there's a time and a place. Feral. Right, Pat the Atheist is joined again. I am saying hi. It's slightly dramatic to the text. I'm sure you'll be fine. 16:37 in a few minutes. Come on, people. 10k at least. Get your fingers. But oh, Jake. Oh, don't you start piping up an old son. Jesus, the lot of you. Feral. Right, let's move on a little bit because, yeah, this is why I don't like doing ghost hunts outside, especially when the weather's not good. But we have got another ghost hunt coming up in a few weeks' time. It has changed. It was going to be from a tattoo parlour in Sudbury, but because of like tattoo bookings and all that, it kind of clashed a little bit. So that will be later on in March, but that will be happening. So that'll be our next investigation, and that'll be a 2-hour special. 2 hours. Yeah, so that'll be at some point in mid-March, I'm going to say. Marcus, get me on a ghost hunt. You can come along on a ghost hunt. To the text message, you don't have to worry. There you go. 2 hours meant. I know, absolutely ludicrous, crazy, madness, off your nut. Yeah, no. Stand. Well, what was I do? Cartwheels. I'm glad I am standing. Oh, dearie me. So, if there's anyone here, thank you, Abby, for all the likes. Jesus loves you. Well, he might not. He might do. I don't know. There's the bells. And the weird thing is, there's no church around here. I'm joking, there is. Before anyone panics. Crikey, that's a big word. Conservative. Oh, let's not start getting onto politics. We can't be dealing with that. Oh, this is not good, is it? Literally standing in the middle of a pathway. And now we've got a conservative in the group. Fantastic. It's conservative. I know what it says, love. I can read. Can you read it? There you go. Well, I thought I just heard a horse. That's what I heard. Someone smuggled a horse in. I might have to start riding that later. That's very funny, isn't it? Why can I still hear horses? My partner does that and all. Makes horse noises. Then if I chuck her a polo, we'll start riding her. I usually do both, to be fair. Anywho. Hello, Mr. Pigeon. I agree. This live is crap. Give me PG, Marcus. I'm very PG, thank you. My partner, who's not PG, absolute feral. And I mean feral. Maybe a politician. I mean, I really hope not. Because, you know, yeah. Are you a politician? No, you died. Oh, there's a horn. Maybe it's a haunted car. Maybe there's nobody driving it. It's driving itself. It's like a slip and slide. Right, well, there is a football field where those big lights are that you can see, and I can hear people playing. Let's go watch them. Actually, maybe not. My throat is really starting to work. Look at the bells around. Oh, dear. Super Soaker Extreme. Well, you're disgusting, aren't you, Jake? But yeah, it's quite a good name, to be fair. That's what my partner calls me anyway. Super. Come on, spirits. Come and play. Where's the tweenies? I thought that was quite funny. Oh. I agree with you, people. Let's just shine. Oh, dearie me. It's only found. Okay, what have they found? They're digging for treasure. Just Mrs. Rack. Or Mrs. RAC. Do you work for the RAC? Sorry. Oh, David, how you doing, Dave? What have you found, Spirit? I haven't found nothing. Let me have a look at stuff. Let's have a little look. That's nothing around here. Oh, yeah. Did I scare anyone? No? No, fair enough. Welcome to Dark Supernatural. If you've just joined, welcome to the black. The big black hole. Oh, that's racist. Well, that's the end of that live. Good night, people. They found your bugs. I hope not. If you squint really hard, you might see a post, obviously, Jake. Well, I mean, I hope they haven't found me, Hayden. Well, no, I hope they have, because then this live might be a bit more fucking exciting. I really want to break wind. There we go. Reach. What are we reaching for? The stars? It's like steps. I am dancing behind the camera. Sing them a song? Absolutely not, Abby. Beats looking at a blade of grass or a cat ball. Even oh Christ, even in Mr. Blackmore, how you doing? They want to touch you. I hope not. So I had at least. Oh, okay, I get you. They found you and they'll reach. They probably are probably grabbing my arm or touching my leg or something like that. I don't know. Oh God, they're in a van. They're in a van. They're coming. Jesus. Not Epstein, is it? Oh wow. Grief. Let's not get onto that subject. Having a yeah. All right, Abby. Chill out. Third leg. Prepare you a file. I've got something that's tickling me somewhere. Food. Oh my God, we've had a name. Oh my goodness me. So we had a name with Joshua. So I missed that one. After Reach, we had Joshua Food fan. He worked in a kebab fan. What the hell? Okay, is your name Josh? Mr. Joshy. Mr. Joshy. Where are you? Oh, dearie me. Glance. Where? Where do you want me to look? Can you see that right home, people? You're going to have to. Where? Make a sign of where you are. Move a tree. Take it out of the root. If any of you got any questions that you want me to ask, just whack them in the comments. So Joshua is looking for you and touching you in a food. It seems that way, yeah. I mean, I've had weirder Monday nights. Okay, now it's beeping. Ask if it. Were you a butcher, Josh? The chat gives a whole new meaning to the term special sauce. Oh, Jake. Oh, mate. Feral behaviour. Go on, spirits. Might walk a little. What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? Oh, it's an advert. Don't worry. Oh, crikey. Oh, there you go. Have a little watch of that. That's what's come up on here. Used to end like some sort of porn. If anyone was drinking during that comment, good. I hope it hit the ceiling. I'm so confused. Nothing new there. Oh my god, what the hell? What the hell? Oh lord, what we done? Oh god, it's all gone multicoloured. How fancy. Oh god, really? There we go. Oh, crying out loud. Go home. There we go. Right, look. Liking her footsteps. Okay, I'm going to stand on the camera. What the absolute fuck is that? Am I just going off my nut? Hello? Someone walking down there. Can anyone else hear that? Oh god. Axe. I hope you don't have an axe. Okay, thank you, Hayden. At least I just me. I thought I could hear it. I thought, oh, there's like a dog walker or someone walking. Then I looked around, there's no one there. I can hear it again. I want to come on the camera so you know it isn't me doing it behind the camera. Is anyone here? What? I don't want to blind you by shining the torch up there. Hello? Okay, this got very weird very quickly. What is that noise? Can everyone else at home hear that? Hang on. I'm sure I missed any comments. Yeah, that's what I was thinking, mate. And this, ladies and gents, is how Marcus starred in his own horror movie. He feels like I'm in one. Skip. I ain't skipping. Grow up. Skip. What am I skipping? That is me inhaling. That's what you can hear. Hayden, food is nearly done. Hayden, food's nearly done, mate. Come on, time to come home now. Goodbye. Sorry. And you've missed my unhinged comments. Oh, have I? You skip and he chases you with an axe. Yeah, all right, Hayden. Let's hope not, mate. What's one was there? Okay. I think your comments have been hidden, Jake, unless in case they might be a bit offensive. It's annoying because you can't tell if it's like an animal, like an keys jingling. Yeah, this is really weird. I think I need to get a new phone battery because I'm on 60%. And I left on 100. And it's only like about 5-10 minute walk. Okay. What always happens when I go stump with me? It's like draining my. I start draining my battery. Irritating. Fucking phone. Oh god, we've had dig. I'll just quickly show you. So I had to refresh the app. So the top word there, dig. We'll be digging. Treasure. Well, it's not a great deal happening now apart from what we had earlier. Oh. Hello. Probably an animal. Oh. Any comments? Nope. Yeah. Did a poo poo. If you turn over, it's back to licking walls, watching paint dry. Literally. Oh, then I bet you I've missed my unhinged ones. I have my love. There we go. I was quite peckish. Laugh. Oh, they thought that was funny. They thought that was funny. I'm glad you thought that was funny. It's time to bring the backpacks through. Absolutely not, Jake. We will get taken off TikTok. What a waste of time. Been on here for half an hour. Nearly. I give it exactly 14.2 seconds until we are taken off air back. But literally, we would be. All right, Jill. Oh, she's back again. Name of the night still. So I need to have a drink a minute, people. My throat is someone else at the minute. It's like it's scratching and everything. That's me, you can hear. Thank you, Jenny, for the follow. Very kind of you. Our ghost hunts are usually a lot better than this, and they're in better locations. But I have to find a place pretty quickly. There's not many places around where I live. Guys, spirits. I'm just getting a bit bored now. Should we walk a little bit further down, people? I think that lorry's having a fun night. Oh, dear me. Right, let's go, people. There we go, that'll do. Walk about 5 feet. That should get some activity going. Come on. I'll scare anyone at home? No, have a try. Just trying to scare people. Clearly that didn't work. I don't think that's true. That's really out my throat. Go on, spirits. Oh. Ready to fly. Where are you going? Excuse me, that's very rude. Wildlife girl. Hello, wildlife girl. Are you into wildlife? You'd love it in Sudbury. There's lots of like birds and stuff. I'll tell you what we're going to do, guys. If it stays like this, we're going to come off here at 1:45. One, my throat is absolutely killing me. The weather ain't fantastic, and yeah, you've been sat here for half an hour just looking at a very quite bright set of lights down the bottom there. Noot, noot. That was my Pinga impression. Hope you all enjoyed it. Mr. Smith, are you still here, mate? Oh. I literally had more fun at my nan's funeral. Tried doing the conga on the way out. My auntie weren't impressed. The brakes in a wheelchair weren't working. Yes, sir. Fantastic. Billage 58. Hello, Billage 58. Welcome. I always do that to people. Find it highly entertaining. Hello, G Brown 92. What a name. Rosie P. Wildlife Girl's back. She's looking at the wildlife. You can't really even see in this video. Oh, Jesus. You should see this area in the daytime. That's lovely. Have to refill my vapor pen. Oh, yeah, Mr. Smith here. He does work in a vape shop. I can't do that one. Yeah. Pauline Grant. Hello, Pauline. Welcome to Dark Supernatural. Like I've said to people, if you are just like clicking through or swiping through and you come across the page, our lives are usually a lot better than this, but it's a very impromptu live for a location anyway. And yeah, something's better than nothing, people. In this case, probably nothing would have been better. To the people at home, I apologise for the sound effects you're about to hear. I've got a very dry throat. My partner is here, I just spat it in her mouth. Ask for him. What would I say that on a live? Feral. Hello, Margaret W. with a spicy emoji and a lemon. Hello, Margaret W. Spicy lemon. Hi. Joined. Hi. Hi, hi. Hi, 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 hi. Wonder how long that'll take before that joke wears for me. Hi. Wildlife Girl, she's still here. Trying to find some wildlife. Not going to find it now. If you do a daytime live, you might see a bit. See if you've got any words come up. I've put that away for a few minutes now. Hopefully got something on that. Oh, we've got an advert about a dustbin. Just in case you think I'm lying. It's a dustbin. From Team U. There you go. Give me a plug, Team U. I just did. It's very good. They just take too long to deliver stuff. Like 3 weeks. Oh, flaming hellfire. I'm going to launch it in a minute. Gimp. Did I say Gimp on TikTok? Fucking hell, really? Another one? Oh, bumholes. Hi, Leo. Something. All right, Benji, how you doing? Oh, no, it's not Ben. Oh, Desire. Oh, for fuck's sake. But let's put the camera away a minute because there's somebody walking past. Oh, we've had loads of words. No, we're not going to join them. Right, we've had a few words. We've had